I would be glad to delve into the ChatGPT plugin for Zapier. Zapier is the most powerful plugin for ChatGPT. Basically, Zapier is an app that connects another apps, over 5,900 different apps. You could connect them together that will be able to talk each other at all. And now you can automate all kind of different things using Zapier inside of ChatGPT. And if you're really interested in learning AI tools, then there is a fruitful workshop with us, which I will talk in later part of this video.
Hey Aditya, I'm working in this office since the last 5 years and you just recently joined and you have a salary 5 times as me. How is that possible, man?
It is because I'm using AI tools and ChatGPT to automate my work and I'm working 10 times as compared to you. That's why I'm getting paid 5 times as compared to you.
That is super, man. Can you please teach me the same so that I can grow my salary as well?
Absolutely, I can.
Let's start the tutorial. All you need is ChatGPT Plus account. Then install the Zapier, and then all you have to do is come up here, go to the ChatGPT 4 and then make sure you go to the plugin tab and then click on this drop down to select the Zapier. Go to the settings. So you probably need to turn on two factors. The one is beta function and the another is code authenticator. So make sure that you enable this well, because when you connect this in the Zapier, it will require that's on the ChatGPT account, but it does require typically the two factors to turn that on. The very first thing, I'm going to ask this prompt that give me a link to make a Zap account, because we want to set it up, right? Zap through the OpenAI, through the ChatGPT setup. If you go to the Zapier website, it's actually a whole different layout. So we need to do this and get this link first. So let me click in this link. Then it will ask you to make a Zapier account for some free credits available at some point. After sign up, go back to the ChatGPT. Again, it's going to bring you this page and click the link and then come over here to set up one of these actions you have to set. Before setting up, you all know that AI is taking over the world in such a short span of time. We have seen so many layoffs, millions of jobs replaced by AI and whatnot. You don't want to get affected by this recession wave, right? Well, AI won't replace you, but the person using AI will. And if you want to save your job and become irreplaceable in your career, join our 3 hours AI tool workshop, in which we will teach you about the best AI tool to upskill, increase your productivity and enhance your career. Let's move ahead. Add new actions. As I choose Gmail, as I'm going to send one mail to another and basically use AI for most of it. So I will select Gmail send email now, and if it does not show up, then there is a chance that you need to create this up your account. So all you need to do is manage accounts. Then you will be able to create Zap account. Now in next step, connect to whatever email you want to add here. But for me, I'm going to go ahead and do my email from there and input a couple of things. You can also add your email account to whom you want to send. Moreover, you can add subjects, the body of your email. You can also get a specific value for this field and change the email anytime. And if you click on more options, there are several more options are available, like attachments, label, actions, name, signature, body type and etc. As you can see on a screen, and a new action has already been created. And let's go to the ChatGPT again and give a prompt that using Gmail, as I want to send an email with a subject line inviting for a conference call and the body being a timed schedule for this event occurring a week. From now, I will correct some of these spellings, and yes, here I go. Zapier is a star generating an email for me, and within seconds it has generated a link where I can review and confirm email. As I click that options, I can see this interface and the format what I have given there. I can edit anytime and I can cancel anytime. Easily I'll run this program, and yes, action has been done. I can see this on my email. This is only a single option what I have showed you. You can do more than 1,000 installations and 1,000 actions. You can do in 1,000 apps. You can connect moreover 5,000 apps also through the Zapier. It can also schedule your email. You can change the action anytime you want and select the action as per your requirement. So hope you like all these trigger and questions are always welcome. So here's the wrap. Let's meet in the comment section and clear your further doubts. So this was Ushma signing off until next time.